This video is regarding the Swachh Shauchalaya app developed by Swachh Bharat Mission Urban Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. We will understand how to operate the app in this video. So first of all, let us understand why this app is made and who can use this app. So this app is for the caretaker of public toilet and community toilets. Using this app, the cleanliness of the public toilet and community toilet can be monitored. Uh, Caretaker has to mark his attendance at least 2 times a day and take user feedback at least once in 2 hours using this app. Caretaker has to take the mobile number and happiness code from the user to submit the feedback. The first screen is the login screen, wherein the first icon where the toilet and the caretaker photograph is there has to be selected. Please don't select the other icon as it is for the ULB user to upload the CTPT details. First time users can log in via OTP and subsequently they can select a password and log in the next time using the mobile number as a login ID and a password which they have selected. First time user click on the login via OTP and then the screen for entering the mobile number will come. Please enter your mobile number and click on next. Once you click on next, the OTP screen will come and you have to enter the OTP which is received on your mobile number and click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will be redirected to a screen where you have to enter your name, first name, last name, your email ID if you have. You have to select your state and city. Then you have to tell that whether you are employed as a caretaker from the ULB or you are working from an agency. If you select an agency, you have to tell the name of the agency. After that, you can select the password which you can use for subsequent logins and click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will be seeing a page where you will see the nearby toilets. Please select the toilet in which you are working. If your toilet is not listed in the list, you can add a new toilet. You have to be very careful while selecting the toilet, because if you wrongly select a toilet, your attendance and feedback will be marked in somebody else toilet or account and it will be of no use for you. After selecting your toilet, you will be shown this screen where you have to mark your attendance. Please click on yes, and once you click on yes, first screen will come where you have to take your selfie. After taking your selfie, click on next, and you will be redirected to the questions. So you will be shown around 6 questions which you have to answer in yes or no. If you answer in yes, as yes, you have to upload the photograph, and if you answer no, you no need to upload photograph. The questions are related to the cleanliness of the toilet, whether the toilet seat is clean or urinal are clean or water is available or not. Once you answer all the questions, you can click on submit and your attendance is marked and you will be redirected to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can see the rating of your toilet, can again mark your attendance or take user feedback. For taking user feedback, click on this icon and then scroll down and click on this plus button. Once you click on this plus button, you will be shown 3 questions. First question is the star rating of your toilet, which you have to ask to the user of the toilet. So anybody who's coming to the your toilet, you can ask this question. You can ask the first question as what rating you would like to give to this toilet. 1 star is bad rating and 5 star is the best rating. After that, you can ask the 2 questions which are coming on the screen. These questions comes randomly, so please read carefully these questions and take the answer from the user in yes or no. After that, you can select the gender and click on next. Once you click on next, the screen will come to enter the name of the user and his mobile number. So please take these details from the user and click on next. After that, you will be shown a screen where an happiness code has to be entered. So please ask the user to share the happiness code to complete the feedback and enter the happiness code here and click on submit. Once you click on submit, your feedback will be recorded. So this is how this app has to be operated, and you have to mark your attendance and take as many user feedback as you can in your toilet. So after that, if you are facing any difficulty or any issue in operating this app, you can contact this number of SBM support or email on this support ID. Thank you.